I'm not gonna lie. I'm so tired. I feel like I'm getting delusional. This is so cool. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. Hey y'all. I'm trying to keep myself from crying right now, but I literally have no words to describe how beautiful this apartment is, this Airbnb, like this whole everything. Portugal feels like Florida, but more peaceful, if that makes sense. Like immediately when I touched down, I just felt like so much peace. Like obviously I'm so tired right now because I have jet lag, but it's just like good energy. Like literally everything feels so good. And like this bed, this Airbnb had 5 stars, and now I understand why, because I'm so glad that I came here. Ah. So I'm starting with the balcony because this is where I was already sitting, and it's literally my favorite part about this entire apartment. Like, I freaking love this balcony. And the fact that it's facing the east, so I can wake up earlier, it's amazing. Okay, so we have the bed, which is pretty nice. It's very firm, which I like. Like I love a firm bed because I feel like you kind of sleep better, even though like I left it's like, I don't know, like somewhat firm, somewhat soft, but it's a really good bed. Nice area so that I can get all the work that I've been putting off done. The Airbnb guys left me a really sweet note, so I'm just really excited about that. Yeah, they have a lot of closet space. I already put my storage in, and I love the rugs as well. They're really nice. Nice touch. There's me. Okay, so this bathroom also is really awesome because it's a private bathroom, and the other rooms, I think it's like 2 other rooms inside of this condo, and they all, like the other 2 rooms share a bathroom. So when I was booking this, I saw that I had a private bathroom, and I was like, bet. Even though I don't mind sharing a bathroom, I did when I was in Prague, and it was no problem, other than the fact that I had to wait for someone to get out for like 30 minutes, but you know, that's neither here or there. But yeah, I really like it. I really, really love this. Well, that's different. Yeah, I really like this Airbnb. I love Portugal. It's literally giving me such a good feeling. And that's what everyone said. And it's like when you're here, you just feel like this overwhelming sense of like peace and like just like a slower pace. Like I feel like I just stopped running a marathon. Like leaving the US is like so fast, like hustle culture, get, work. And it's like here, I just feel like I can just breathe. And I know this nap is gonna hit different because I'm so freaking tired. So yeah, that's the room. It's awesome. It's small. It's exactly what I need. I love it. Still extremely jet lagged, but I feel so good. I feel so rested. I just slept for like 6 hours, which is exactly what I needed. I mean, it wasn't good for the jet lag. It just feels so good being here. I'm so freaking happy. Like, I can't express how much I just needed, like, my own space. Or like, yeah, it's not my space like the Airbnb, but it's like, it's just me. Like I can hear myself, I can hear my thoughts, and I don't know, like I've tried my best to develop like coping mechanisms so that I can still find my balance whenever I'm not in my own space, but I don't know what it is. It's just like if I don't have time alone to recharge, it's like I feel like I'm going bonkers. Like I feel like my chakras are just like all out of alignment. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the balcony because I love this room. Like, to say that I'm extremely grateful and blessed to have this experience is an understatement. You guys, I literally never get tired of this view. Like, this sunrise is so beautiful. I mean, it was a little bit higher this morning. I got up around like 7:30. I was still just like a little bit sleepy, but I'm trying to establish a morning routine so I don't want to allow myself to sleep in, even though like in the US it's like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning. but I don't know, it feels good. I'm gonna try to find some coffee this morning and then work, and then in the afternoon or like late afternoon / evening I'll go exploring. And yeah, like just enjoy this beautiful day. It's really warm. I was expecting it to be cooler because when I arrived yesterday morning it was a lot colder. But yeah, I'm taking in all the sun, all this vitamin D, and just allowing it to wash over my body to cleanse me. It's so freaking quiet here. The cafe that I wanted to go to isn't open, so I'm gonna go to the one that I saw recently. And if that one doesn't have coffee, then I'll just go to the market and get something. I'm very thirsty and I need coffee. That was a nice little outing. I got my groceries for $5.40. €5.40, which is roughly the same, but I love when things are cheap. So I'm back in the lovely Airbnb. We have the sun here just shining, doing its own thing. And I'm loving it. Like, I'm here for it. Hopefully no one is here yet, but I'm just gonna put away my groceries and then go work for a little bit. And then, like I said, I'll go explore after I'm done working. I don't think I got the chance to show you guys the rest of the Airbnb, but this is pretty much it. The guy was telling me, or the host was telling me last night that this used to look totally different, but one of the renters actually like renovated. Like, this whole thing used to be like a balcony, but now, and then like it used to be a whole wall here with a door, and then this used to be a whole wall with like a small door. And I've noticed that like European flats or like apartments always have like doors to every room, and it's so strange to me because it makes the space look much smaller, but you do have more rooms, I guess. I don't know, but I actually like this open look. And the guy like jokingly said last night, do you want us to sell you this apartment? Because I'm literally in love. Like, I would, listen, don't get me started.
Oh, okay.
Guten Morgen.
Bikini is fun.
Nice. It's like a, wait, let me see. I'll stand up.
Huh? Ah, okay, nice.
It's very warm, so I just came out to get some sun.
Different car.
So I have been sitting down on my butt all day at my desk, working, getting caught up on a lot of stuff. And as I predicted, I felt very, very productive today. Like, I got a lot done. So I'm going to go walk around, like, I don't know if you can see it, but like in the city area, because I'm like probably like 10 to 15 minutes out. So I'm gonna go walk around a little bit, maybe get some dinner, and then come back and finish working because my butt hurts and I'm tired of sitting on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go exploring and I'll take you guys along with me. The taxi is almost here. Well, it's called Bolt, which is like Uber, but a little bit cheaper from my understanding. But I gotta use the bathroom. They're almost here. So I'm gonna go and then I'll take you along. Okay, so this is really, really cool. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, of course you can see it, but I feel like it doesn't look as cool like here as it does like in real life. Like, this is really cool. Like, I'm trying not to be weird because I'm obviously alone, but I don't know, like, it feels so good to be outside. I'm gonna get closer in a minute. I just want to sit here and watch people for like half a second. I forgot my shade so that I can be weird and watch people. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I'll take you around. me a second. I ended up buying these glasses, which, am I tripping or is like this the same color as my skin? Like, is it literally blended in? I don't know. I'm not tripping. I got a lot done, but at the same time, I'm not like too exhausted. But I just, yeah, I feel good that I came out and actually did something instead of just staying inside all day and, you know, just being to myself. I just really love it here for some reason. It just fits my vibe, like my whole like older kind of like stick to myself type of vibe. Like I'm really happy right now and that feels so good. I think I was just craving some time alone, and I'm glad that I have this vlog and that I do these vlog videos, because honestly I do these so that I can look back and be like, wow, that was a really nice experience, and also so that I can like document this experience and have it for the rest of my life, and obviously so I can look crazy talking to myself. About to go get on the boat. Let's see. It's a beautiful day today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, but on the yellow.
Good morning. I feel like I'm up later than I wanted to be up, but I feel really rested and well recharged, that's for sure. Especially after the boat ride yesterday, I just felt like that was just like the highlight of this entire weekend, because Portugal is so beautiful, and I got to learn about the history of the city, or the history of Lisbon. I don't want this to be a long outro. I just want to say that I love Portugal. This has been a beautiful experience. Like, I'm so grateful. So many things in my heart. Like, I'm not gonna cry, but I'm just really grateful for this moment, because I understand that it's a tremendous privilege to be able to travel and to be able to meet new people and to be able to just have the courage to just do it, because it's so scary, especially when you travel on your own. I hope that this video and this content was helpful or inspiring or entertaining, whatever the reason, and I will see you in the next vlog.